Welcome back! In the last video, you were asked to do steps 6 through 10 by yourself. If you have completed these steps, you should see this locked screen on your app. There are a few tricky things in 6 through 10 that I want to make sure that you were able to figure out. The first is the lock screen. The lock screen instructions tell you that this is the area that will be unlocked, the leg of the hen. And it gives you the instructions on how to do that here. Because I'm using the web version of the app, I will click twice around the leg of the hen. If that's not working, for whatever reason, I can click, hold, and drag down to disable the timer so I can move on. The other tricky thing was making sure you found the video for the Adinkra symbols fabric printing. The video is linked here in the implementation guide, and that link takes you here to our website. The video we are looking for is Adinkra symbols and fabric printing. If you click on the link, it will open to the YouTube link for this video. Now we should be at number 11, which is the unplugged activity, making Adinkra stamps and pictographs. In this unplugged activity, you have two options. The first is to make stamps using invisible ink. The second is to paint Adinkra symbols on rocks and create what's called a pictograph. Option 1 is a little messier and potentially longer, but it's really fun for the learners. And we give you some extra instructions for this option. The first link is for the teacher. It will open to the materials page. There you can find a video on how to make Adinkra stamps in invisible ink for this activity. Go ahead and find this video, open it, and watch it now. Pause your video and unpause when you're done. That video explained how to get the Adinkra stamp activity set up. The next set of instructions you see are the paper materials that you will need to print for this particular activity. All paper materials are numbered in the same way, so I know this is Chapter 1, Topic 1, the first material. We name the material, and we give you the number of copies you will need for a class of 20. If you click this link in the PDF, it will take you to the very bottom of the page. This shows all the materials you will need for Chapter 1. So here I have the document I need to print. I'll show you where to find it in a second. Then I see the materials that I'll need for the stamps, like the phone paper, scissors, cardboard, and then the materials for the invisible ink. Again, these numbers are estimated for a class of 20. If I want to find the PDF for 111, I'm going to go to our website. This is the Chapter 1 materials part of our website, and here is where the materials are located, in the Google Drive. When I click the drive, it's going to open to the folder for Chapter 1. When I open the folder for Chapter 1 materials, I see all the materials in numerical order. Here's 111 Adinkra stamps. This is the paper I need to print for this activity. I see I need 1 copy per learner, and I know that because I see the instructions here. Please go back to the implementation guide. Read the first part of number 11 up until the pause point to learn how to start this activity. Please pause your video and start it again when you get to the pause point. The pause point is here because this is a natural place to stop the implementation for the day, and you can start again here next time you meet. Of course, this choice is completely up to you. If you choose not to pause, there's another material called Where's Waldo Game. This is an option material 112 that learners could use if they're waiting for their invisible ink to dry. In this material, they'll need to search for all of the Adinkra symbols in the Where's Waldo game and circle them. So here's one right here. We also have the answer sheet for you in the Google Drive. You can now read F to number 12 on your own.